Okay, welcome back to video number 7. In this video, we're going to pick up where we left off from videos 5 and 6, which is how we added an image folder to our web page folder. And inside of that images folder, we posted a picture to our web page. And in video 6, we centered it using the center class. So picking up on video number 7, we're going to create a menu for our home page that we can use on all of the other pages. So what I'd like you to do today is find where you have your header 1 tag. This is your main website title. Because you might be in 5th or 6th grade and doing your website on Islam and not ancient Mesopotamia, I'm going to change my line 12, which is my header 1 tag. You might have it somewhere else, but my header 1 tag is just website title. Whatever the website title is, you should type there. The subtitle, which is an H3 tag, it's going to be a little bit smaller, is going to be the specific name of the web page they're going to within your website. So this index file .html is actually our homepage. So we're going to give a H3 tag that says homepage. If I come over here and refresh, you'll notice it says homepage over here. Now we want that in the center, so we can tell our CSS file there is a tag called H3, and we want to align it in the center. So just like we did with H1, we have an H3 CSS that says center and H3 tag. Now it's in the center. Okay, here's homepage in a picture. Now, underneath the header 3 tag, we're going to go down and we're going to make a comment. And we do that with the open bracket, an exclamation point, and a couple of dashes. We need 2 of them. And this comment will be written in green. And notice I have 2 dashes at the end and a closing caret. This is like adding a sticky note to your code. It's for you to easily keep track of what sections of code do what. So on line 17 is where we begin our first website link. And this tag is an A space href equals quotation marks. And inside the quotation marks, we put the name of the file we want to link to, which is going to be index. When we type in this last little caret here, it creates a closing link tag. We're going to type in homepage. That's the word that appears on the web page, and we can click that word and take us to whatever file we want. And this would be the index file. So after you save it and refresh, you'll see it'll appear homepage on the screen, and it's a link you can click on. And up at the top, you'll see websites /index.html. That's where we're at. Now we want to go to another web page, and the second web page that we're going to create and then list here is our geography page. Whether you're doing ancient Mesopotamia or Islam, you're going to have a page on the geography. Okay, so it all looks pretty much the same, except we changed the file name, and then we're going to make a link called geography. Now, if we save this and refresh and click on geography, it takes us to something that says your file can't be accessed. It may have been moved, edited, or deleted. It's not found. We're going to make one. But before we make the other pages, we're going to set up a menu to take us to them. And then we're going to copy our code over. So I'm going to go ahead and just work ahead here. You can pause the video when you need to catch up. I'm just making a couple more. After line 20 is where you can pause. We are going to have a site for geography, culture, religion, and then of course our homepage. So if you'd like to pause the video right now, you can get those menu links set up. Okay, now we're going to come down to line 22 and we're going to make a new note with our comment tag. It starts with a caret, exclamation point, 2 dashes. It'll turn everything into a comment unless we close this tag, which is with 2 dashes and a caret. Then it closes it off. So on line 22, we said horizontal line and then an HR tag. This will draw a line on our page. So save, refresh, and now we have this line up here. Once again, we can't go to the other pages yet. They don't exist. We haven't made them. Our homepage link, though, works, keeps us here. So we have a basic title here, homepage, got some links, and this great line. Well, let's create the other pages with this basic structure here. So we're going to take all of this and we're going to highlight all of it. You can use your mouse to drag and highlight everything, or you can hold down Control A. That highlights everything. Once everything's highlighted, Control C to copy. And then you're going to go to File and click New File. It'll open up a new text like this, a new text file. Well, we're going to paste what we just copied, and that's with Control V. So Control V pastes it in here. We're going to save it. So you can go to Control S or go to File, click Save File, but I want you to be using shortcuts. So Control S. Now make sure it's saving with your index file and your styles file, and you're going to name this geography.html. Save. And you'll see it turns all of your tags to the colors that they were before, because now it's an HTML file. Before you move on, I want you to change this header 3 to say geography. Save. If you want to go test, you can refresh your homepage, click geography, and now it'll open your geography file. And in your geography file, you named the header 3 geography. Your index says homepage. So when you go to this homepage, here you are in the index.html. Your header 3 said homepage. Head to geography.html. There's your header 3 geography. Now, culture and religion don't work. Well, we're going to go make them and give them a header 3 title so that we know we're there. So go up to File, New File, and Control V to paste. Control S saves it. We are going to name this culture.html, making sure it's with all of our other files. So important, so important. Save. Now, it would say homepage if we went there, so we need to change H3, the smaller tag. H3 just means, hey, make some words on the page. That's a header, and it's a medium-sized header. We're going to name this culture. Now we can refresh, click homepage, geography, and culture. All right, and then the last one is religion. So we're going to go File, New File. Let's see if you remember here. You paste it, you save it, and we're going to type in religion.html. Please make sure to spell everything correctly. You don't want to spend a bunch of time thinking you coded it wrong when maybe you just missed a spelling. Religion.html. And save. And just as before, name your H3 religion. And save. Now we have our homepage, our geography page, culture, and religion page. Now you might not need this picture on every slide or every web page, so maybe it's only on your homepage. So if you want to do that, you could go to geography and you could delete this tag. That's your image source tag. So on geography, it's gone. It's still on culture, right? Because there it is on the web page, and here it is on my line of code. Delete and delete. It's a great picture, but maybe I just don't need it on every page. So, homepage, geography, culture, religion. Great. This is the end of video 7 on how to create your links and your basic menu structure. If you want to change the titles of these web pages, you change them here. You would have to rename the file type, but that can get a little tricky because of capitalization and spelling. So maybe just for now, try to keep these the same, and the content we add to the page you can kind of make a little bit more unique or specific to your class, whether it's ancient Mesopotamia or Islam. Okay, good luck. Video 8 is going to be starting up next, and video 8 is on how to add a map to your geography page and add some cool text to start telling your user about it. Good luck coding. Have fun.